Hello, my friends from Superior Home and Landscape Services. My name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilisis Solutions in Charlotte, and we are a marketing agency. As I told you over the phone yesterday, we are working with landscaping material companies all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area and I came across your website. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. I'll show you some of the things I can see that's working well for you and your competition. So I don't want to waste more of your time or mine. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how Epilisis Solutions can grow your business and help bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. Only thing I'm asking you is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics I'm going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content, we mean anything that's on your front page, and this includes the pictures. The pictures are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content because it is readable by the search engines. If we click here and save image as, you will see that it's unnamed, this picture. So you haven't given it a name. You could name it as house and get the name of your company, Middle Beach, South Carolina, so it would help you rank for those keywords. Anyway, content in the front page should be typically around 1,500 words. And although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow you to work with some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you guys is that you have to make sure that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that's unique on your front page so that the search engines can help get your company ranked as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook. But as I said earlier, a website is not an Instagram page, and a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords in order to rank higher. The second thing that I want to go over with you guys is citations. And if I do a search here in Google, basically about landscaping materials in Middle Beach, South Carolina, the first thing you are going to see is you see usually some ads over here. You don't see the ads over here, you see an ad on the map, which brings us to what we are going to do next. Is we're going to talk about this map section and how you are ending up being among the first 3 results here. Here there are 4 because one of them is an ad. So there are 3 that rank organically plus 1 here that it's an ad. If there is no ad placed here, then you can only see 3 results on the map section. This placement here and your position here has to do with citation. And naturally you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. A good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 is that just with citations, in order for us to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. To understand where you are here, you are at page, if we go to view all, you are at page 3. So we will basically go down, and you were at third page, somewhere at third page here, what I found earlier. So anyway, that's what I saw earlier. Maybe sometimes this thing changes, maybe you are 4, but you are like way down. And we don't want that to happen. What we need to do here, you are at page 4. 5 minutes ago when I searched it, it was on page 3. Now it's on page 4 of the maps results. So let's go back and remember that in order to make sure that you're showing up high on the map sections, you need citations more than you need at least to have what the competition is having, and you need a little bit more in order for you to rank higher. So that brings us to tip number 3, which is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your web page. And so that could be like a local news company that did a story on you, and then they linked the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool that we have here at the agency, for which we pay almost $800 a month, we get a good idea of what's working well for you and what's not. So this is not 100% accurate, but this tool basically shows us that you guys have 2 referring domains, 2 backlinks. And if we go here, we can see what these backlinks are. Find open, landscape contractors, Grand Strat. These are directories, but they are only 2. And that's why you are so low in the map section. You have to know that there are a lot of directories out there. You want to be in as many as you can so that you can beat your competition and to overtake them. Just like the citation with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in most places. But as we said, that's giving you, for the moment, maybe because your website is probably relatively new, you just, I see here average 3 months. So if you started, like, I don't know, when did you start your website? It's in April. If you started in April, you should have done better in ranking, because SEO works after at least a period of 3 months. But here you haven't done any ranking in keywords. So to see what I'm talking about, if we go back to our organic results, and number 1 search result, it's Palmetto Scapes Landscape Supply. And if we see what these guys have, this guy has 15 referring domains, 32 backlinks, and he ranks for 145 words. And he has an organic traffic of about 13 people a month, which is not bad. And it's something that if someone takes over, for instance, your page, can accomplish within relatively short period of time for SEO. We are not talking about overnight results. But very soon you can outrank even the guy who is like first. Because one of the SEO thing that matters for SEO is how old the website is. So when you have a very young website, then this ranks lower. But you are there since April, so you can do more and you can work more in order to have that. If we do another one, we can see the mulch bucket. We can see 7 backlinks, 7 referring domains, 30 organic keywords, 12 organic traffic. not something that we cannot beat. Same with I think it's the fourth result, beach landscaping. Yeah, this has 1,410 backlinks and 34 referring domains, and has and ranks for 545 organic keywords, and the organic traffic is 219 a month, which is a lot. Basically, why you don't see him ranking first is that he is probably ranking in many different places, and that's why so many keywords. You see, for instance, in landscaping, Middle Beach, South Carolina, he's in first position, and the traffic is 38 from here. And here you can see the volume and the traffic that you can generate just from this word. So this shows the importance of backlinks. So currently the most accurate and up-to-date information is going to come directly from your Google Analytics, because as we said, the Ahrefs is not 100% accurate. But you get an idea, and we get an idea of where your traffic is coming from. If we took a look at your competition, but if we take a look on which keywords your competition is ranking for in the area and the subject of your interest, we can incorporate these keywords in your website in order to start ranking for these words too. So that was all, and if you liked what you saw, and if the information that I provided you has been valuable for you, like I said, if you'd like to know more about how Epilisis Solutions can help grow your business and bring you guys some more money and some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips for your Google website. It looks very good if you did it on your own. I want to congratulate you. It looked pretty neat, but it lacks some basic factors, as I explained to you over this screencast. So what I would, if you wouldn't mind giving me some feedback on how I did on this video, I want to thank you for spending your time here watching this 13-minute video, and you guys have a great month. We'll be in touch. Thank you.